Welcome to MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. My name is Al Baum. I'm a salesman here at MarineMax. Today we're looking at a used boat. It's a 2013 Cobalt 24 SD, considered a deck boat. Starting from the transom and working forward, it has the standard swim down, manually operated swim down, hold down swim platform. It also has your holder for your water toys and a built-in wet storage under this rear seat. As we come into the boat, first thing you notice is we have grass flooring, we have a doggy door, and we have the center seat, which can be picked up and moved in both directions, so I'm not going to do that now. This boat is powered by Volvo. It's a dual prop outdrive, 270 horsepower, 5.7 liter engine. Propels this boat just fine. As you walk forward, you'll see you've got a wide driver's seat with a flip-up bolster. You've also got a wide passenger seat that can go in both directions, so the passenger can sit facing aft or forward, depending upon whether you're using it for water sports or not. In front of the passenger is a head. This has a built-in porta potty. It does have a holding tank, and to the port here we have a stereo mounted in a glove box, and that is lockable. You also have a stereo control on the dashboard. You have a tilt steering wheel. Notice the chrome footrest plate, nice touch. Garmin GPS. Boat has 140 hours on it, which is very low for a boat this age. This boat is in great condition. Will make somebody a fine home and a fine toy for years to come. Forward you have your two seats facing forward. You've got fold down armrest on this as well. Cup holders abound. You've got a removable step through cushion and a bow ladder under the bow cover on this boat. So if you decide to beach the boat and you want to get off the boat on the forward end of the boat, you can do that. That also has an anchor below that you can use should you wish to anchor. So that's it for the 2013 Cobalt. This will make somebody a great boat. It runs exceptionally well. It rides good. Come out and see it. Take a ride in it. Maybe you'd like it. Thank you.